In this section, recording, we'll cover what and how to record the information you find in your family history research. This is going to be important because where you found that information, how you found it, is useful to know in the future. You may be going back on your notes and finding out where the information was found, how you found it, and having a link to that information is going to be crucial. Take it from me, in over 20 years of research, going back on notes even 2 or 3 years ago, knowing where you found the information, having that written down is crucial. Otherwise it gets very frustrating trying to work out your source. We'll also cover some of the key abbreviations you will come across in your family history research. Abbreviations make our life simpler, but if you don't understand them, they can really hinder your research. You may come across these on internet sites or within magazines or books. And finally, we'll look at the 2 types of tree you could consider creating. Creating a family tree is one of the first steps to take, and there's 2 key ways you could record this information.